Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Just wanted everyone to know that I changed my little icon and changed the links over here. If you like these videos, you can send me a cup of coffee through PayPal. I got my Google, I got I Love Precious Metals fan page, Rusty's Metals Twitter, my website, and I added a icon over here in the corner for Bitcoin. I don't think people realize the significance this Bitcoin is going to have, especially when banks go negative interest rates. So click on the link, get educated, and sign up. The accounts are free, and if you make your first, from what I understand, if you make your first deposit within 48 hours, you can get free gold. And I'm not sure how much that is, but it's like $25 worth. So just look into it. You can save and purchase freely on a prepaid Bitgold card. And I haven't got my card yet, but it's in the mail. And I've been depositing into my Bitgold into Zurich Savings Bank, secured by Brinks and insured. And that part's free. There's no extra fees. All you have to pay is 1% fee for depositing and purchasing. So, I mean, if you bought something for $100, you pay $1, basically. And if the same reasoning, you deposit $100, you pay $1. Very convenient. It's going to change a lot of things because it's actually allocated to your account, and I think it's very important that everybody signs up. So use this link here to find out more, right here in this little ball here. But anyways, I want to just keep going with gold on a short term. And last time I left you, we broke down here, right? Or yeah, we broke down here. It came down. Remember I said before I left, watch for the retracement. There's a retracement. Came all the way down to 1182 and just totally bounced. I mean, ever since a few hours consolidating down here on the bottom, I figured it was going to come down to this spot here, maybe a bump and run through here and bounce here. So in my opinion, this is a strong bounce, and look at it now. It's going to be testing 1200 and this pattern. Remarkable bounce. This is what a consolidation looks like. So this is what we were wishing for. Over to silver, you can see not on a 60-minute chart, but I changed it to a 5-hour chart. Here's a 60-minute chart. It's a little volatile. You can't really tell what's going on, right? So change it to just a little bit of longer term, 5 hours, and you can see that step down approach to this consolidation pattern. That's consolidation, and here we are. Look at this. It bounced right off of its support of its previous high, right? And look at it. It's breaking back into the original pattern where we were. It might not break straight away. It might need to, it might pop, consolidate some more. But it is healthy, and I'm liking it a lot. It's coming to the end of the day here, so don't know what's going to happen at the end of the day. Been watching it closely. Crude oil slipping some more, and everyone's saying, oh, all the wells are going to be filled up. All the supply in the wells, or the tanks storing oils, all going to be filled up by next month. So that's the glut that we're all worrying about, and it's creating lesser prices because there's so much supply. Don't know what's going to come of it. I don't know what to believe. But I know for a fact that a lot of banks, Deutsche Bank for one, countries around the world, they're all hedged to the hilt on this oil trade. And rumors are coming out that this is all on the purpose of bankrupting Russia. And yes, Russia has to sell some assets to cover losses, but what a stupid move, because Russia doesn't have far as much debt as the West does, and I don't know who these people are that contrive these things, but I think we're fighting a losing battle here. Um, uh, dollar still slipping. What are we at? 95.81. So from its high, 99.87, all the way to 95.81. It's a pretty good dip, right? Here's our retracement and the balance line right here. You can see it's dropped to here. So what is that? Let's call it 100 to 96. $4, right? So from here, $4 down is what I'm saying. So look for lower prices on the dollar. S&P started to make this pattern, and I just want everyone to be aware that we did make a bottom, which is this higher low, right? Don't know where this is going to end up. Maybe it's going to be another higher, a lower high, but it's in a pattern now. So watch the pattern. As price breaks out of it, you can make a trade. I don't usually trade within the patterns. I do pattern breakout trades. So there you have it. Let's see, what else can we do? Well, here's Deutsche Bank concerning their solvency, and there's somewhere between 50 and 75 to 80 trillion, 80 trillion in derivatives, and looks like they're in trouble. It keeps sliding past previous lows, and this is 2008 lows. So Germany's already at negative interest rates. So I mean, what are you going to say? I mean, this thing's going to be bailed out, and there's going to be austerity and a whole lot of mess. I think they should just dissolve the whole thing and do what Iceland did, you know? I mean, this is a mess. How are they going to survive? Where are they going to get the money? I don't know. Things are looking bad to worse every single day. Now, I wanted to mention Sprott physical silver on the exchanges. Look at this monthly. Tell me that's not looking pretty healthy. This could easily go into previous lows. Once it breaks its $6 line, and it's almost there. Back to gold. Look at it's cracking. Going to silver. Look, it's getting more and more healthy into that previous pattern. Wow. Not much of a retracement, right? Especially on gold. I mean, that was very strong. Look at the daily. It wants to go higher. Peter Schiff was getting heckled on CNBC, and he just, you know, they keep telling him what a loser he is, and he doesn't know anything. But he's called every spot, and his next call is breaking this 1200. And I mean, that's a tight consolidation. It's going to break the previous highs. I can't wait. Wow. There goes silver. Let's see if we can break this previous high and go for a ride. Now back to gold on the 60-minute. I just want to show you the reverse head and shoulders consolidation. You can see it, right? Well, let me take this line out. Let me take this line out. Now we're concentrating on the 34, right? All right, so we broke down. We retraced, bearish retracement, and we came down. So we got the left shoulder and the head, right? So all of a sudden came up, did this is the bullish retracement, making its right shoulder. So it came up, this next candle bounced, and then look at that candle right there. That's an inverted hammer, right? Right above the line. I just want you to see that inverted hammer. And remember the last time we saw an inverted hammer? Let me see what, where do I find it? I think on a weekly silver chart. There. Right from that spot. Right? Bam. Powerful. So there we go. I mean, gold hourly. It just knocked that thing, the previous highs out. And look, it's breaking the neckline now. You see that neckline being broken? This thing is ready. So you guys out there paying attention, you can open up a Bitgold account right away. You can deposit money right away, and you can climb with this. You don't have to, buy into stocks. Just buy the physical. And here's the longer term, right? And it's just about ready. And you can see very clearly the reverse, head and shoulders. And this is what I always say, if the consolidation is quick on the right shoulder, it's going to be powerful. That's a quick consolidation on the right shoulder. Especially this candle, it just came down and all the way back up in 1 hour. That's really all I have. Oh my god, everything looks great. We've been waiting for this moment. I've been waiting for a long time. Everything else is crashing. Buy gold and silver. It's going to be your only choices here soon, I think. Negative interest rates, they're going to charge you mucho buco money to save your money in a bank. I mean, why would you do that? I don't think anyone's going to do that. So there you have it. That's my take. Please like, share, and comment. And let me know what's going on out there. Thank you.